everyone, today's video is going to be a little do-it-yourself at home little routine that I like to do when it's time to clean my makeup brushes. They are like not in good condition, as you guys have probably seen in my recent makeup videos, and today I decided to just stay in, clean up, and I wanted to show you guys my routine for cleaning up my babies. Now you're going to need 4 things. So to clean your makeup brushes, you want to start off with some dish soap. It can be any dish soap around your house. The good part is you're probably gonna have all of these things already in your kitchen, so you don't have to go out and buy anything. So I just use, in my house, they use a natural dish soap without any harmful chemicals. That's just what's here, but please feel free to just grab anything that you find in your kitchen. You're gonna get some white distilled vinegar. This is gonna help kill the bacteria that has been growing in your makeup brushes, because yes guys, there is bacteria growing in your dirty makeup brushes. I know, it's disgusting. You're gonna need some pure olive oil. This is just to keep the moisture. This is just to keep the moisture in your makeup brushes so they don't dry out. It's kind of like you don't want dry, brittle, you know, hair, especially if you have natural makeup brushes. So this is just gonna keep them, you know, nice and soft and plumpy. Also, you only put very little. And last but not least, you're just gonna get some water and put all the ingredients in a bowl. Water, you just get it from the sink. So I'm gonna now mix all of the little ingredients and show you guys what I'm doing step by step. All right everyone, so I already have my water inside my bowl, so now I'm just gonna add the 3 ingredients. So you're gonna get a little bit of dishwashing soap. Again, I like to eyeball this. So I think that's a good amount. If you were to measure, I think it'd be about like 2 tablespoons. You're gonna get some distilled white vinegar. Okay, so let's just say you fill up one of these. And then for your olive oil, you're gonna put half of the distilled vinegar. You don't want too much oil. You can use any type of oil. You can use coconut oil. I put very, very little. Like, don't even want to put a lot. Your ratio of dishwashing soap to oil should always be much larger. You want a lot more dishwashing soap. So I'm actually gonna add a little bit more, just because I have a lot of makeup brushes that I need to clean. So now that I have mixed all of my ingredients together in order to create my homemade makeup brush cleaner, I'm gonna mix everything together, and you have your own little makeup brush soap. Now this is the fun part. You're gonna get your makeup brush, swirl it around, right? I like to squeeze it out, and I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna rinse them all after. Okay, so I just rinsed through all my makeup brushes with the soap. If you guys can see, it's like super gross. That is all the dirty makeup and all the leftover stuff that was in my brushes. Now, the next step is like super important. You're still not done, obviously. You have to go in the sink and you have to scrub them and basically give them a nice wash with the water, brush it running down from the sink. You need to make sure you get all the bacteria out, and your brushes are going to transform immensely. So I'm gonna go clean my brushes in the sink, and then I'm gonna show you guys the end result of how clean they are. And I can't show you how good they're gonna smell, but sorry, I promise they smell really good. I just washed through my first makeup brush, and you guys, like, it looks brand new, okay? Like, I feel like I just bought it. My makeup brush looks brand new. Okay, I think I have a little spot right there that I have to fix. But this is the end result. It comes out super good, super clean. It smells like dishwashing soap, which is great. It does not end up smelling like vinegar. It does not end up smelling like olive oil. It smells clean. It's gonna smell however your dishwash soap smells. So I'll show you guys a little before and after. So this is my brush with the special do-it-yourself little soap that I created and showed you guys. This is before washing it. And now this is after. You guys, this stuff really, really works. This makeup brush, I've made them last years and years and years because I wash them, I take care of them. Probably not as much as I should, but I do. So as you can see, the brush is super, super clean. And now all you have to do is let them dry overnight. Okay, so I already cleaned my makeup brushes. I'm going to show them to you guys right now. But before I put them and organize them back in the little baggie that I have, I'm going to get some Clorox wipes and I'm gonna wipe down my little makeup container. So it's kind of difficult to show you guys while I do it, but this is just a really simple, fast way. Unfortunately, you may need to buy this if you don't already have this in your kitchen, but I just like to wipe down. It's really important that where you keep your makeup brushes, you also clean it frequently, because it's really silly to spend time and effort making sure your makeup brushes are nice and clean if you are not going to also clean where you keep them in the daily. So a lot of people like to dry their makeup brushes like in a little jar. I don't like to do that because obviously their brushes are still wet and I don't want the water to run down to the stock. You know, how do I explain this? Here is my, if you watch my videos, my highlighting brush. I use this to highlight. I don't like to let my makeup brushes dry standing up because the water is going to run down and it's gonna loosen, okay, the cork or whatever it is. I heard that they're made of cork, some are. It's going to loosen up where the hair strands are attached, and that's why I like to dry them. And also when you're washing them, it's very, very good to be cautious and wash them holding them like this and have the water run down, because if you wash them like this, all the water is going down and unfortunately you are going to lose bristles, you know, as time goes by. So it's really important to wash them like this, and my advice is let them dry like this also. So I'm going to show you guys finally my last little setup. I have already wiped this baby down. He is nice and clean. He got pretty dirty because one of my black eyeshadows broke in my makeup bag while I was traveling. So it's nice and clean now. So let's organize my brushes back in there. That is the end result. My makeup brushes are organized all in the little bag. I will keep them to dry overnight, and they look honestly good as new. I like to put a little paper towel to help absorb all the water that is going to obviously be running down. I did try and pat them dry after I washed them, and you can change the paper towel after a while if you're you know, around. So yeah guys, it's really easy. This takes me probably about, like, give or take, wow, I feel like a hand model. And then, wow, can you see my tan? It's here and it stops here. This takes me about like 7 to 10 minutes. It honestly depends on how many makeup brushes you have. Alright everyone, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned a lot. It is super easy to keep your makeup brushes clean. Having your makeup brushes clean will prevent breakouts. It'll help your makeup application process come out a lot smoother and a lot better. No more mixing of different colors. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys try this at home. Your makeup brushes are looking a little stanky and you are on a tight budget, or maybe you just want to know what exactly is in your makeup brush cleaner. You don't want to use any chemicals. This is a great way to make sure you know exactly what you are applying eventually on your face. I hope you guys again enjoy this video. I hope to see you, wow. I do hope to see you soon. Eventually, I hope to meet all of you who watch my videos. This time I'm back with Tinky. So once again, I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned a lot. Tinky definitely learned a lot. Right, Pumpkin? And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be posting videos every week, and we'll see you on the next one, right? Bye! It is so, oh, wow. Oh. Tinky, what are you looking at? I know. I can't record. Video for you guys. Wow. Why am I having such a hard time? Yeah. My hair está para los locos. Let me tell you.